A car crash is the subject of today's Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, who is here for Ed. Thank you both for being here. And Greg, welcome back.
I've returned. Everybody was wondering I was working.
He really wasn't fired.
I wasn't fired.
He's back.
I've reclaimed my chair.
It has his name. It's back on the back of it again.
Feels good.
All right, here's our question today, and this is from Brian in Mountaintop. Brian says, I was involved in a car crash and I broke my leg. I have $5,000 in PIP. Who will pay my medical bills after that is used up? Can I sue the driver that hit us? Molly, what can Brian do?
Brian, you can absolutely sue the driver that hit you. It's good to know that you have the $5,000 in PIP coverage and that you already figured that information out. You should get to a lawyer, though, and pursue a claim against the driver for sure.
Yeah, well, with a broken leg, you know, you're going to experience a lot more medical bills between, you know, whatever the doctor had to do, what type of therapy you have to do. So the $5,000 in the PIP, that's the medical insurance you have under your auto policy. You'll probably use that pretty quickly. So hopefully you'll have some sort of regular health insurance that'll then pick up the bills. And usually the insurance companies, the health insurance companies will seek reimbursement. So let's hope there's enough coverage to compensate you fairly.
And those that do get into a car accident, we know it's kind of a disturbing time, an unsettling time. If they'd like to reach out to you, how can they do that?
Just call us, 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And don't forget Facebook, Twitter, social media, Fellerman and Saramboli. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, who is here for Ed. Have a good weekend.
Thank
you too.
Don't forget PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is open all weekend long.